Now we discuss a problem. A point P is chosen at random on a line segment AB. A point P is chosen at random on a line segment AB whose length is 2a. Calculate expected value of the difference AP mod of AP minus PB. Calculate expected value of the difference of mod of AP minus PB. So we find expectation of AP minus PB. Expected value means expectation. Solutions. Let us draw a figure. P is chosen on a line segment AB. Let this is a line segment AB. P be the any point whose length is 2a. Let P be the any point. Let P be equal to AP equal to x. Let AP equal to x. So let AB be the line segment whose length is 2a. P be the any point on the line segment such that AP equal to x. Okay. So let AB be the line segment. AB be the line segment of length 2a and P be the any point of the line segment AB such that AP equal to x. Then PB equal to 2a minus x. Okay. If we consider, we take A as origin. We consider it origin. Then x is uniformly distributed over the interval 0 to 2a. Let us take A as origin. Then x be the random variable which uniformly distributed. This follows uniform distribution. So x follows uniform distributions which uniform distribution over the interval 0 to 2a. Then probability density function of uniform distribution function is given by, then the PDF of x is given by f of x equal to, the PDF of uniform distribution is if x belongs to 0 to 2a, then uniform distribution is 1 by 2a minus 0 means 2a, and 0 otherwise. So the PDF of x is 1 by 2a where 0 less than x less than 2a and 0 otherwise. We have to find expectation of mod of AP minus PB. So now expectation of mod of AP minus PB. So AP means x, mod of x minus PB. PB means 2a minus x, minus of 2a minus x. this means expectation of mod of 2 into x minus a. Okay, so formula of expectation is minus infinity to infinity for expectation of continuous function. This is a continuous distribution, so expectation of continuous function is this into PDF into PDF. So PDF is 1 by 2a. And this is mod of 2 into x minus a mod of a mod. So minus infinity to infinity mod of 2 into x minus a mod of 2 into x minus a mod f of x into x f of x a PDF f of x of x into 1 by 2a 1 by 2a f of x dx. Okay, f of x of x takes value 0 to 2a, so integration is other integration are 0. So f of x takes value 0 to 2a in this interval, so 0 to 2a mod of 2 into x minus a mod f of x means 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a dx. So 2 mod of 2 means 2, so 2 to cancel, so 0 to 2a mod of x minus a by a dx. So since a is constant, so 1 by a 0 to 2a mod of x minus a dx. So integration of mod function means here x equal to, when this mod is 0 when x equal to a, so breaking point is 0 to a and a to 2a, so 0 to a plus a to 2a. In this point 0 to a, this is negative. Okay, in this integration limit 0 to 2a, this takes value negative, so minus of x minus a, and in this interval a to 2a, this takes value positive, this takes value greater than equal to 0, so plus of x minus a. So in this interval 0 to a, it takes value less than equal to 0. In this interval a to 2a, it takes value greater than equal to 0. So this is less than equal to 0, this takes minus, so dx into dx. So 1 by a, this integration means minus x square by 2 plus ax 0 to a plus x square by 2 minus ax a to 2a a to 2a. So 1 by a means a square by 2 plus a square minus 0 plus 2a square by 2 means 2 square means 4 square means 2 square minus 2 square, this terms cancels, minus a square by 2 plus a square. So a into a square by 2 is 2a square plus a square means a square by 2 plus these terms are cancels, a square by 2, this means a square, 1 by into a square. Yes, so this is the required result. Okay, so expectation of mod of AP minus PB equal to A. So expect this is the required result. Okay.